Morning sun begins to rise. Golden light fills up the skies. Wake up, forest, sing today. Join the fun, come out and play. Little fox is bright and true, smiling wide and waving too. Come with me, let's start our song. Join the dance and sing along. Hoo, 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 the owl can say, flies to join the song today. With a flap and happy cheer, all our woodland friends are near. Step by step, across we go. River's song is soft and slow. Splish and splash, the water sings. Joyful hearts have little wings. Butterflies go up and down, twinkling wings of pink and brown. Meadow magic all around, dancing colors, happy sound. Here comes Bear, so kind and sweet, clapping paws to keep the beat. Big and gentle, full of cheer, sings a song for all to hear. Colors shining in the sky, red and yellow, way up high. Rainbow brings a joyful tune, morning magic, bright as noon. Round in circles, paw in paw, dance together, one and all. Sing it loud, the forest song, joy and laughter all day long. Day is ending, night draws near, time to rest, good dreams appear. Wave goodbye, the stars will gleam. See you soon in every dream.